Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you the living room in the gigantic dollhouse. I had decorated it for Christmas, and right in this area here I had Mr. and Mrs. Claus. They were reading off a list of children, but since Christmas is already over, I would like to change this. I already removed the tree. As you can see, all the presents that were here were removed. The only things that I did leave were these three things: the horsey, the tricycle, and the dollhouse, because I wanted you to see them up close. Because bunched in with all the other items, it was kind of hard to appreciate. So I'm going to pull them up to the front here so that you can see them. And after all this, after this video, this living room here is going to be transformed. I'm going to be making changes in it. So Christmas is over. There's no Christmas here. So this is all about the change that is going to go on in this living room. So here's the horsey. It's a large size. It's not that small, as you can see, but since this is the gigantic dollhouse, these rooms are huge. But I can place any miniature in here and it looks good. I can place a 1.12 scale miniature or larger, and it's all still looks good in here. So look at how pretty this is. Look at this. So this is one of the gifts for the children. The other one was the dollhouse. Oh, and before I go on, I got it, I believe it was at my favorite thrift store. It was thrifting. Not sure if it was the Goodwill or my favorite thrift store, but that's how I got it. And then the dollhouse, this is from Walmart. Walmart usually carries ornaments in the Christmas section. Sometimes little packages of 3, of 2, or 4, depending what it is. So I think this was 2 dollhouses or 3 in one package. So I think it was, the prices have gone up. So I used to get these things for like $2.99 for a package of 3 items, 3 ornaments, but they've gone up. I think I paid now $3.49 for a package, not just one dollhouse, a package. Meaning I think they were like 3 of them. So other than that, there's the tricycle. The tricycle is also from thrifting, but look at this. Oh my God, look at the way it wheels so smoothly. Look at that. I love this. I have to tell you, the horsey and this tricycle are 2 of my favorite miniatures in all my collection. I mean, I love my miniatures and I have a lot of favorites, but in recent times I bought these and they have become 2 of my favorite, I can say. Look at that. Look at that tricycle. Okay, so I will be removing these and I will be transforming this living room. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the pineapples for the next creation. I have to think about it because I haven't really thought of what I'm going to do here, but I know that I have to bring something new to you. So I want you to stay tuned for what's going to go on in here. As you can see, the ceilings over here, these are the original ceilings. I didn't do anything to it. I just placed this light. This is a Walmart light. They had a remote. I don't know what happened to it. Now you see those valances on the windows? Those are napkins. I have a whole bunch of those. Very elegant napkins. Look at that. So I made them stand out. And then this is like a little locket that I got from thrifting. This here with the little, oh, these are push pins. They're actually push pins that I got at, where did I get them? I think 5 and Below, the store 5 and Below. I think that's where I got them. If not, the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I don't remember where I buy everything from. So then here, this is also from thrifting. A beautiful frame. I have this cabinet. The cabinet most likely was from the miniature event called the Guild Show that I went to 2 years ago now. And then I have the chairs, all part of my miniature collection. These are card holders. You see these here? Look at this. But you can always use certain things as dollhouse miniatures. It doesn't mean that they have to have only one purpose. This was a card holder. And I have a whole bunch of these. I think that when I got this, I got like about 9 of them all in one shot. Look at that. The flooring here is a placemat, the green one. But as you can see, it has a wooden floor and it's in great shape. This clock was from thrifting. Look at that. You can always use oversized items in your dollhouses. They don't have to be all exact. It's what you really like, what you prefer, and what looks good. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you stay tuned for the changes, for the new creation, and thank you so much for watching.